stubborn, thinking I'm right. I can be late, cause I'm taking my time. I can be driven, ambitious, your best friend, love of your life. I can be selfish, trying to be kinder, always forgetting, needing reminders, but I'll always...
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about upgrading one of my most important parts of my desk setup, my chair. This video is sponsored by LiberNovo, and I'll be taking you along as I unbox and set up their Omni Pro, walk you through some of the features, and come back a few days later for my final thoughts. If you're not familiar with LiberNovo, their brand focused on creating ergonomic chairs that support your body through movement rather than keep you locked into one position. Their Omni chair is designed around dynamic support and comfort, with features that adjust with you as you work, relax, and move throughout the day. When we talk about upgrading our desk setup, the monitor, the keyboard, the lighting, and all the little accessories that make your desk feel more like you. But one thing I think we sometimes overlook is the chair, because if you work at a desk like I do, you're literally sitting on it for hours every single day, and you don't really notice you have a bad chair until you get a really good one. So I'll be sharing with you on upgrading my chair today. So let's unbox it, put it together, and test out some of these cool features. Instead of giving you my thoughts right away, I'll be testing it out in the next couple of days, and I'm going to come back with my honest first impression and how I feel after a couple of days. So let's get in! If you haven't been to my channel yet, welcome. My name is Holly from Life with Holly Lifestyles. I'm so excited to share with you my life as a content creator and small biz owner. And if you love anything desk, tech, productivity, lifestyles, any of those types of videos, make sure to subscribe, and without further ado, let's get in!
I can be stubborn, thinking I'm right. I can be late, cause I'm taking my time. I can be driven, ambitious, your best friend, love of your life. I can be selfish, trying to be kinder, always forgetting, needing reminders, but I'll always be there when you need me. Cause I know that two things can't be true. Cause I get so confident yet confused, so I'll let go to live in between who I am and who I wanna be. Maybe I'm incomplete and a messed up masterpiece.
Now the chair is all set up. Let's talk about some of the features that make the LiberNovo Omni Pro a little different from your typical ergonomic chair. The hubby will be demonstrating as I film all the different features. Starting with a bionic flex fit backrest. It's made out of 8 flexible panels that are designed to move independently with your back, so as you shift from side to side, the backrest responding to body movement instead of one fixed position. And that leads to one of my favorite features, the dynamic support system, powered by LiberNovo's Synchro Link mechanism and dynamic screen alignment. Basically, the backrest, armrest, neckrest, and seat are designed to move together as you lean, shift, or recline, so the chair continues to support you as you move. Omni Pro also has 5 different recline positions depending on what you're doing. 105 degrees, deep focus, keeps you upright with full lumbar support. 115 degrees, balance, gives you a focused but more relaxed position. At 125 degrees, solo work, you get reduced spinal pressure for longer sessions. 135 degrees, soft recline, gives you a more even weight distribution for effortless comfort. And finally, 160 degrees spine flow, which is near weightless recline, designed for full spinal decompression. Then we have the most cool feature, the Omni Stretch, which is a built-in 5-minute motorized spinal decompression mode. You can recline all the way back, put your feet up, and let the chair guide you through the stretch sequence while the motorized lumbar support moves with you. Then we have airflow. This is a suction-based ventilation system that draws air through the seat to help remove heat and moisture. You can hear the suction. It has a 3000 amp battery with up to 36 plus hours on low or up to 9 hours on high. Okay, so it's been a few days since I have been using my new LiberNovo Omni Pro chair. I have my notes here to share my final thoughts. I've been using it for the last couple of days to edit this video, do some other work during the weekend. One of the first things I noticed is that I've been sitting a lot better compared to normally. I followed the instructions on how to basically have the chair fit my body. Everyone's body type is a little different. I was able to adjust the back arch to fit my back, along with the armrest and the headrest. It's been really nice to be able to have it exactly the way I like it. I've also been more conscious when I am sitting and making sure that I'm sitting up properly and lying on my chair well. And it's been doing a really great job supporting my back and my posture. One of the first things I noticed when I sat on this chair was how comfortable it was. The material of this chair is really soft, and I've been feeling it the last couple days, and it's been really nice. There are a couple features that I use the most. One of them is recline. I find myself, if I need a quick break or just a little social media break, I can just recline and go down a little to be in a more comfortable spot. And then when that time is done, I can get back up and recline to the first mode where I can get back to work. My absolute favorite feature is the airflow seat ventilations. There's a low mode and a high mode. When I just feel like I've been sitting too long, my bottom feels a little warm, turn that on and it sucks all the air out, which is really, really nice and a little bit cooling, especially on warmer days. I definitely see myself using that feature a lot because I do like my body cooler. And since I do have a lot of lights in the space, it does get a lot warmer compared to the rest of the house. So it's very nice to have that. The biggest thing that surprised me is that I've actually been taking more breaks because of this chair. And it's not because I don't want to work, but it's because I do need breaks once in a while, because obviously you're sitting in a chair for a really long time and that's actually not that great for your back. And this chair makes it super easy to just lie down, take a break, get up, have some water, and get back into work right away. It's almost like I created a mini routine out of this chair. That way I'm able to reset throughout the day and have a fresh mind to start working again. I've also been doing a lot of more sit down work. The last couple of days I've been either editing this video or I've been doing my small biz stuff, which is a lot of design work. So it's nice that I was able to use this chair and make sure I take breaks in between, because sometimes I just sit there and focus on one thing and by the end of the day my back hurts. So that's really, really good. And I also can get a little massage when I feel like it, which I do maybe once or twice a day depending on how I feel. So overall, after using the LiberNovo Omni Pro for the past few days, I'm really happy of how it kind of fits through my routine and kind of helps with it. I never thought a chair could actually help with my routine and just helping with my mental health in general and making sure that I take breaks and reset. I feel like posture can be super important, especially in the long run, so I'm happy that this really helped with that. Something I don't really notice with my other chairs, and I just live through the day. This chair is definitely for those that work hours in a day, whether they work from home or they're a content creator like me. It really helps to get a really good chair that you'll use long term, because working is really important, but also resting and taking breaks is also important. Of course, this is only a couple days of testing out this chair, and I'm excited to continue using it and see how things go. If you guys want, let me know in the comments if you want kind of like a 2-month review. I'll probably do it in an upcoming vlog. That way you can see a 2-month later review to see how I like it still. And once again, thank you so much for LiberNovo for sponsoring today's video. I'll make sure to link this chair down below for you to check out. And don't forget to follow me at Life with Holly Lifestyles on Instagram and TikTok. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!